Happy New Year and welcome to 2023. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, this is now the first time this year that there hasn't actually been any snow on the ground pretty much. So yeah, nice to be able to get out and actually physically get the bike out on the drive. So what we've been up to, well, like, as I say, 2023, and well, I'm afraid it's a new start for me. It's you know, I think the time was right to basically share with you that I've actually found a 21-year-old. She's okay, she's been around the block a little bit, but she's nice, she's reliable, she's got good form, great performance. But 21-year-old, you know, I mean, you know, they need a little bit of coaxing, they need a little bit of education, but what can I say? So without further ado, I guess I should probably introduce you. So here we are. Here we have my new 21-year-old. There she is. And she's a bit of a beauty. But what have I done? What's going on here, you might ask? Well, we have a 21-year-old VFR 800 5th generation gear driven cams. She's done 19,000 miles. Over the course of the winter, we have added a new rear wheel. As you can see, those eagle-eyed amongst you, it's the 8-spoke rear wheel from the previous model VFR 750. I've had it powder coated anthracite, I guess you would call it anthracite silver, to match the front wheel, which I think is a pretty good finish, as you can see. As far as the likeness is concerned, I mean, it's really hard to tell, it really is. So that's a big shout out to Rimtech out in Ellen, to Greg out in Ellen. They've done a fantastic job with that, and I'm really pleased with it. So I do have the other rear wheel, but I'll show you. This is how the bike was when I picked it up. So I actually bought this bike from Superbike factory down in Macclesfield. So I'll probably do a separate video on that one. But as you can see, I've got a few bits and pieces off it at the minute. I do have stainless steel headers from Lextech Performance. I do actually have a high level can for it, which is a Black Widow end can. And this is it running here. As I'm sure you agree, it's pretty sexy. However, I want to put stainless steel headers on. Now, I should have gone with the Black Widow, but I'd heard that the Lextech ones were good quality. But as you can see, yeah, they're just starting to corrode. They're okay. You could keep them as they are. But I decided to hell with it. I'm keeping this bike and I'm going to turn it into a bit of a project. So I do plan on doing a track day with it this year. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to just give it a bit of TLC that it deserves. So it's all going to get cleaned up. It'll get tightened up. We'll get the forks serviced, as you can see in here. I've also got the nose cone off. That's a separate issue at the minute, but we'll come to that in a second. So yeah, just a bit of pitting on the fork legs here, and inside there you can maybe just see, yeah, about there and in here. Not bad really. She's in pretty good condition for a 21-year-old, I would say. But yeah, generally speaking, you could just do with the forks refurbed. Maybe send them off to Maxton or somewhere, and we'll get them refurbed, get them all tightened up and serviced, which would be great. I do have new oil cooler pipes, as you can see there. They're all corroded. Not too bad. They would tidy up. I could paint them, but I've decided to go for new ones. So that's another little job to do. Like I say, the wheel's done. The headers, not too bad. I have actually slackened off the header bolts, which are in there. I don't know if you can see that very well. I actually don't have my torch with me. Shows how professional I am. But they've actually all slackened off really well. So this one is a parallel import, and being a parallel import, it means that the headlight actually wasn't correct. So the guy that had it before me, didn't bother him because he spent a lot of time in Europe with it. However, obviously every MOT it's had the little stickers on the headlight. So having done a bit of research, I've purchased a new headlight, and I've fitted LED indicator light, and I've fitted LED mid lights. So there we go. So yes, she's work in progress, but I think she's worth it. I think the lady deserves some milk tray. So there we go. That's a quick update on the channel for this year. We'll get this rocking and rolling, and we'll get some progress videos done, and we'll keep you up to date. So there you go. That's a quick update on the channel. I've picked up some track plastics for the GSXR. The monkey still needs a service, having chased Helmet Head across Scotland, and that will need doing. The chain on that one is really loose. I don't know why. I adjusted it before I went to catch up with Helmet Head up at John O'Groats, but for some reason the chain's loose again, so I think I'm going to have to change the chain and sprockets on that. But there we go. So there she is. Not bad, eh? A couple little marks here and there, but generally speaking, pretty good. So yeah, not a bad 21-year-old on a 2002 plate. Well, that's a quick update for the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Nearly at 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, hit that bell, and please subscribe. It is really appreciated, and we'll catch you on the next one.